Hello friends, so today is my 14 video in English speaking challenge. So friends, today you meet to my friend. My friend, she is my friend, my coaching friend and English speaking coaching friend. So you meet to my friend. So Astha, you tell something about yourself.
So hello ji guys, welcome. I am Astha and I I learned English with my friend and Aksar Academy, and I am learning parlor course also, and I am mother also. In future I start teaching. That's it about me.
So Astha, I ask some questions for you. What makes you happy?
If person understand me like you, then I am happy, and if person giving surprising for me, then I am happy. If I am achieved my goals, then I am happy. If my baby doing that type of things, so like starting study and starting doing so many things, so like I study and he is start, so I am happy. I mean, overall, in my according, things for see, I see the things, so I am happy.
Yeah. It's a good habit because you are, I see you all time happy. It's a very good habit and very good things for you. So Asta, I ask you one question. So like, do you like a fast food?
Yes, I like fast food.
So which fast food you like most?
I like pizza and cold coffee.
Okay, it's a good and so according to you, fast food should be banned or not?
No, according to me, fast food is not bad, because if fast food is bad, then the person not another taste, and sometimes person don't have time, so person eat another things for outside. That's why I think fast food is not bad.
So you ask me some questions.
Okay, why English is so important that time?
English is very important for everybody's learning purpose, reading purpose, and anything you. When you understand English, then you know English. What is the English and how can you speak? Speaking is also very good things because in all department everywhere when you go, then how can you understand for the pupils and any other things? Like when everybody asks some questions, how can you understand it and how can reply it? It's a very important things for learning purpose. And like when you go to like one restaurant, one cafe, how can you order it? Because menu also in English. So
Yes.
how can you understand English? That's why English is very important for everybody's. So it's my point of view for English.
Okay. Do you meditation?
Yes, I do meditation daily because meditation is the very important for everybody. Because when you do meditation, then you feel very happy and you know your inner values. That's why meditation is when you do meditation, then you feel confidence and focus and consistency because meditation feels gives you confidence and like a focus and consistency because consistency is the most important key of the success. And when you sit anywhere, you sit down and you sometime only calm down
Breathe
and
and
breathe and control yourself and only you focus one things like chanting the om and after some time you feel very happy and very calm and like in your inner value you महसूस in your inner value and you take the right decisions in life.
okay. You feel profit to do start meditation or not?
Yes, I feel many profits. I have many profits after the meditation because when I do meditation, then first is the happiness. I feel happiness because happiness is the most important key. That's why when you feel happy, then it's a very good and you like concentrate in your goals because consistency matter. Also share it this point because when you I study it, then I also focus it and consistency feel this and like I महसूस in my inner values and I take a right decisions also. It's a benefit for do meditation.
Okay. You feel concentrate.
Yes,
Okay.
consistency matter.
Yes, it's very good thing. And what about you?
So I tell something about me. So my name is Nancy Tiwari. I am from Hardoi but currently live in Lucknow, BKT Bakshi Ka Talab. So, current time I am pursuing the Master of Commerce in KMCLU University in the IM Road, and it's my introduction and like other things. My hobbies. My hobbies is reading books like self-help books, and I like to spiritual books because Bhagavad Gita. This time I read it and I learn many things in the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is a spiritual book and like a learning purpose, understanding purpose, and living purpose. Very, very, very important book. Yeah, like a Bhagavad Gita. It's my introduction and like I want to become firstly I clear net exam, then I want to become a professor. It's my goal.
What
And
what to do learn English?
so like English is very
Tell me
important.
about
Huh.
tell me about simple tips.
Okay, how can you learn English and speaking also? Because before joining the coaching and any other thing, then I feel very nervous. It's a very like everybody's problem, nervous type and confidence. Not any I have confidence, not speaking. I am not able to speak anything. When anybody asks me question, then I understand question, but I'm not able to speak. How can I speak it?
Because everybody is feel nervous.
Yes, yes, it's so important because everybody feel this, na. That's why nervous and like when joining the coaching and reading many books and like vocab, understanding the grammar rules, and when I talk to each other and every friends like you.
So this is my question: how to build my confidence?
Yes, because when you talk it, not matter what is the right, what is the wrong, where you only talk it and you learn from the mistakes. It's the important things. When you talk a lot, not matter what is the right, wrong, you talk with your friends, family, everywhere you talk in English because talking matter. Like a practice makes man perfect. It's a important rule learning English.
Yes, this is right.
Yes. So, friends, it's my today's video and conversation with my friend. So, I
Thank
feel
you so
very
much.
happy and thank you so much. Okay, friends. Bye. Take care.